Forex trading strategies for small accounts. Hey there, fellow Forex traders. Today, I want to share with you a fantastic strategy that's perfect for those of us with small trading accounts. This strategy is all about going long when the stochastic indicator is above 80 and the relative strength index SI is below 30. And when the stochastic indicator is below 20, we go short. Now, let's dive into an example to see how this works in practice. Imagine we have an asset priced at $1.06 and it drops to $1.05 while the stochastic indicator is above 80 and the SI is below 30. In this case, we would go long on a buy stop order place just below the market price. Alternatively, if the stochastic indicator falls to 20 and you can see that it's close to oversold, we can go short on a sell stop order place just above the market price. I hope this insight into Forex trading strategies for small accounts has been helpful. Remember, success in trading requires practice and patience. Keep learning, keep trying new strategies, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more great content like this. Happy trading!